How's it going, everyone? So I'm going to show you guys a 10-minute cardio workout at home for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys 5 exercises. Each one's going to be 2 minutes long. First exercise that we're going to do, you guys, I'll show you guys all the ground exercises first, and then I'll show you the walking ones and then the standing ones. So first exercise that we're going to do is push-ups. So you're going to try to do push-ups for 2 minutes. Doing push-ups for 2 minutes in a row is very tough. So if you can't do it for the full 2 minutes, that's fine. Take a break if you do, say, only 40 seconds, and then just keep finishing until you get the full 2 minutes in, you guys. So we'll do some push-ups. Next exercise that we're going to do is going to be crab walks. So to do a crab walk, you're going to get into this position, and then you're just going to walk like a crab. So that's why they call it crab walks. And you can walk any way you want. Very, very good exercise to do, you guys. It's cardio, it's tough. It's a good exercise. Exercise after that is going to be bear walks or bear crawls. So this is a bear crawl. Now the next 2 exercises that we're going to do is going to be jumping jacks. And then once you do jumping jacks, you're going to do skipping rope. So you're going to just skip rope. You don't need a jumping rope to do this, or a skipping rope. Just skip like you're pretending to skip rope. And again, 2 minutes long, you guys. I just showed you guys just the demonstrations, and I'm already kind of like a little out of breath too. So I mean, it's good. It's a tough workout. I've done it. It's very tough. I'm not gonna lie. It's very tough. So doing them for the full 2 minutes in a row without stopping. Again, if you guys do stop, that's 100% okay, because chances are you're gonna have to stop. Doing push-ups for 2 minutes in a row is extremely tough to do. I did do it, but again, I was destroyed. And then doing crab walks after that, and then bear crawls, your arms are on fire, and then you're also out of breath on top of that. So great cardio workout at home for beginners. I highly recommend that you guys give this a shot. End of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.